Okay, Mustang fans, here it is. Just back from my friend's shop where we put it on the lift and detailed and painted the bottom of the car. Top is all done, bottom's done. So basically, other than a couple little odds and ends, the car is basically finished. Still has the original air cleaner on it. Usually those are long gone. It's a 289 two-barrel C code convertible. As you can see, it's got the battery tag, the original style battery in it. New everything. That's what I love about Mustangs. Everything is available new and very inexpensively. So let's step back and have a look at this beautiful 66 Mustang convertible. I am the second owner. The original owner, I bought it from the original owner in Apopka, Florida. He says, I'm 83 years old. I bought this new in Quantico, Virginia when he was in the military. And within 1 year, he brought it down here to Florida. So when I bought the car, it came with the 67 Florida title. And it didn't look like a title because it was just this little tiny brown piece of paper. He didn't even know if it was a title. So I looked up on the computer, went to the state of Florida, and sure enough, the title number came up as valid. So I bought the car. It was red. It was wrecked. Car is originally black as you see it. Tan interior. All the paperwork from day one, the gentleman still had. Even the book, which has his name taking delivery of it. And again, everything on this car is brand new. I mean everything. So what makes this car special is number one, it's an original owner car. I'm second owner. It's black, which is special. A black with tan interior. And the third thing which makes it special is the SPD, or scheduled production date, was 7/26 of 66. For those of you who are not familiar, July is the end of the model year for all the manufacturers. August 1 is the beginning. So this car was made July 26 of 66, which means it was made at the very tail end of the year, which makes this car one of the very last first generation convertibles. And I'm not sure if that makes a hill of beans in the value, but there's three things that are going on. The car has history all the way to one. Original owner car, it's black, it's completely restored, and it's one of the very last first generation convertibles to be popped off the line from Ford. So, very nice car, drives out beautifully. There's nothing to apologize for. Everything in this interior is brand spanking new. And yes, the car is a remote mirror and power top option. Okay, let me see if I can get around here to the front, and we'll wrap this thing up. Local paint shop did the paint and did a fantastic job on the black. As you know, black is very difficult to do. So the car came out very straight. You know, obviously not concours, but I'm extremely pleased with how the whole thing came out. So there you have it. Ford Mustang fans, a beautiful little rare convertible, one of the last of the Mohicans. Thank you very much.